So, two things. Obviously, everybody in the Trump administration, including Stephen Miller, Pam Bondi, Donald Trump, all of their little Confederates, Fox News hosts, everybody in right wing media, all of them are saying that Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the father and husband from Maryland who is currently sitting in an El Salvadoran prison, all of them are saying that he is a member of violent El Salvadoran street gang MS-13. They're saying that to the press. They're saying that to Fox News hosts. Fox News hosts are repeating it. But you know where the Trump administration is not saying that? They're not saying that in any court documents that they're filing with any courts. They're not saying that in documents they've filed with Judge Zinnes in Maryland, who is handling his return to the United States, has ordered his return to the United States. They're not saying that in front of Judge Boasberg, who is handling, who earlier today found there's grounds to find the United States government in contempt for violating his prior orders. They are not saying that Kilmar Abrego Garcia is a member of MS-13 in any document that attorneys for the DOJ have to sign and file with the court. Why would that be? Because if you are an attorney for the Department of Justice, if you're an attorney anywhere, and you sign a document making allegations and you file that document with the court and you knew that those allegations were false, you can get disbarred. You can lose your law license. That's why nobody from the Trump administration or the DOJ is making that allegation in a court document. Because you can't sign a document, file it with the court that contains information that you know to be false. The other thing, what did the DOJ not do? And what has Pam Bondi and the DOJ not done relative to Kilmar Abrego Garcia over the last month that he's been in custody in El Salvador? What have they not done? What did they not do before they sent him to El Salvador? They did not charge him with a single crime. Weird. He allegedly, for a decade, had been a member in good standing of violent El Salvadoran street gang MS-13 while living in the United States for 10 years. And no law enforcement agency ever charged him with any gang activity, any criminal activity. They never made any charge in any court document that he was a member of MS-13 and charged him criminally for that. This DOJ, with all of its ideologies and all of its resources, still to this day has not charged Kilmar Abrego Garcia with any crime. Same thing with Khalil Mahmoud, the student from Colombia who's being deported. They say in the press that he's pro-Hamas and that he's a terrorist and a terrorist sympathizer. This Department of Justice has not charged him with one single criminal offense, because you can't do that if you know the charges that you're making are false. You'll lose your frickin' law license. You can go out and say it to the press all you want to, but you put it in a court document, you can lose your license. I think that says it all.